Hello students, today we are going to learn about cube roots. We know that 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. We say that cube root of 8, that is equal to 2. We write cube root of 8. This is the sign for cube root. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. 3 cube is equal to 27. That means cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 4 cube is equal to 64. That means cube root of 64 is equal to 4. 5 cube is equal to 125. That means cube root of 125 is equal to 5. Similarly, minus 10 cube is equal to minus 1000. That means cube root of minus 1000 is equal to minus 10. Minus 7 cube is equal to minus 343. That means cube root of minus 343 is equal to minus 7. So in general we can say if m cube is equal to n, then cube root of n is equal to m. Next we will study to find the cube root of a number through estimation. Let's do this question. Find the cube root of 13,824 through estimation. First step is we had to start making the groups of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit of the number. Let's write the number here first. So from ones place digit we have to start making the groups like this. So we got 2 groups. This will be the first group 824 and 13 will be the second group. Next, take the first group. The number is 824. First group. We have to take the digit from the ones place. That is 4. And we know that cube of 4, that is equal to 64, which 64 consists of 4 in its ones place. So, ones place of the cube root of the given number will be 4. We got ones place digit of the cube root of this, that is equal to 4 from first group. Now consider the second group. Second group, the number is 13. So here we have to find the perfect cubes just less than 13 and just greater than 13. We know that are 8 and 27. So we can write 8 less than 13 less than 27, and that means 2 cube less than 13 less than 3 cube. So we take the ones place of the smaller number. Here the smaller number is 2. We have to compare these two numbers. So we take the ones place of the smaller number, that is 2, as the tens place of the required cube root. So we got the tens place of the required cube root. So the cube root of 13,824 is equal to ones place already we got, that is equal to 4, and tens place from here we got 2. So the cube root of 13,824 is equal to 24. Let's do one more question. Find the cube root of 1,75,616 through estimation. The first method, we have to form the groups of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit of 1,75,616. So 2 group we got here, first group and second group. Let's consider the first group, that is 616. So it has 6 in its ones place. We know that cube of 6 we know that is equal to 216 consists of 6 in its ones place. So ones place of the cube root of the given number will be 6. We got the ones place of the cube root of this number, that is equal to 6. For tens place digit, let's consider the second group, that is 175. Here we have to find the perfect cube just less than 175 and just greater than 175. We know that are 125 and 216. So we can write This is second group. So 125 less than 175 less than 216. And we can write 5 cube less than 175 less than 6 cube. So the smaller number between 5 and 6 is 5, which qualifies for the tens place of the cube root. So we got the tens place of the cube root of this number. So cube root of 1,75,616 is equal to ones place we got from here, that is 6. Tens place will be 5. So cube root of 1,75,616 is equal to 56. I hope you have understood this method. This is your homework for today, and that's all for today. Thank you.